Hello, Elsa.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, hello. Good evening.
Teacher, look at this.
What's that? Oh, what's that?
My paper cat.
Wow.
She like to eat. Now
Yes. Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, what makes you good today?
I have
What makes you good today?
what?
What makes you good today?
Because I have this one.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh, wow, great job, Elsa. Okay, clap your hands, dear. Clap your hands. Yes, okay. So, have you already eaten your dinner tonight? Have you already eat that?
Eat dinner now.
What? Not yet?
I I I I eat fish and rice.
Oh, wow, amazing. But tonight, my dinner tonight was about um pasta, and I also eat mango tonight.
Teacher,
Yes. What?
what is pasta?
It's like spaghetti.
Oh,
Yes. Okay, do you like to eat spaghetti?
yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, so how's the weather like there today? How is it? How's the weather?
It's sunny now.
Sunny, but in here it's rainy day in here. Yeah,
Yes.
and it's very cold in here. Yes. Okay, so what day is what's that? Is that paper cat again? Or is that a toy?
Fishing. Will,
What? Do you like to play that?
will.
Oh my god, look at my flower. It's broken.
Why are you? Why did
Yeah, because doesn't oh what's that?
you fishy? Oh,
Because it doesn't take good care of it. So that's why it's broken. Okay. So, oh, Elsa, do you have some homework at school?
no. Thanks.
Ah, okay. Did you went to school today?
Yes.
Oh, what did you do at school?
Today I singing. I have this one, and
Wow.
then I I I can help my teacher.
Oh, wow. Okay. Does your father and mom happy with your certification?
Yes. Teacher,
Hmm?
do you like this one?
What's that? Oh, I don't like that. Yes, can you choose another one? No, I don't like that too. No? Can you please?
This one?
No?
You like this one?
Yes, I like that. Yeah. Okay, shall we proceed now? Shall we start?
Do you like left or right in my head?
Yes, I like that emoji, right? Happy face and sad face. Okay, show me your happy face now. How about sad face? All right. Okay. Oh, show me your teeth. Oh, look at my teeth. Yes. Okay, so shall we start now? Are you ready?
No.
Okay. So let's start in here. Okay, so we're going to continue our task about reading and writing. Okay? Elsa, hello? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Elsa? Okay, hello, Elsa.
Hello.
Yes, okay. Look at the pictures. Okay, listen to teacher first. Listen to teacher. Okay, stop writing. Please listen to teacher first. Okay, look at the pictures and read the question. Write one word and answer. Okay, stop writing. All right. What can you see in the picture? I can see. I can see 4 monkeys. Okay, can you say? Can you say?
I can see 4 monkeys in the
Okay, I can
I
can see 4
I
monkeys.
4 in the zoo. Teacher, do
Okay,
you
very
know?
good.
Teacher, do you know? Playground.
What?
Teacher, do you know? Playground paper scissors ship.
Ah, I didn't know that.
Rock paper scissors ship.
I know that because I've seen that on social media. Yes,
I
okay. So how about this one? Oh,
think you don't have a your sister now.
okay, my sister is at home. I'm in my office right now. Yes, I'm not at home. Yes, I'm in my office right now because I'm working here. Yes. Okay, that's why my sisters are not here and also my naughty cousin is
Okay.
not here. Oh, what? Yes.
Too,
Huh?
but
What?
sir,
Mm-hmm.
cousin too, but then he's like that. In
Uh-huh.
other,
Okay. So
you're
let
angry.
oh okay, so let's start in here now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So look at this. Oh, how many women in the picture?
See the one woman and the one girl and the one boy. Little boy.
Okay, can you say? I can see 1 woman and 2 children. Can you say that? I can see.
I can see one woman and 2 children.
Yes,
One
1 woman and 2
children.
children. Very good. Oh, and where are they?
That
Where are
too.
they? Are in the zoo. Okay, look at this girl. What is she eating? She is
She
eating.
swim.
She is
She
eating
she
some
some ice
ice cream. Very good. Okay, one more time, please. What is the girl doing? She is
She is eating some ice cream.
very good. Okay, so look at the 1 monkey in here. What is the monkey holding?
The monkey holding the ball.
The monkey holding the
Ball.
ball. Okay, very good. Okay, so shall we start in here? Are you ready now to answer? Are you ready now to answer?
Yes.
Okay, so let's answer this one. Number 2 question. How many monkeys are there? How many monkeys are there?
There are 4.
Okay. Spell the word for.
Making it.
For. Spell the word for.
I don't know how to write.
Okay, look at this one. This is the correct spelling of the number 4. Okay, please write the correct spelling, Elsa.
Okay.
All right, number 3. Can you please read louder? What's that?
So you have this one like
What's
that.
that? What?
Like a rock.
Like?
4 and this is number.
Yeah, I know how to write number 4 and I know how to spell number 4 also. Yes. Okay, shall we start for number 3? Can you please read?
Yes, okay. What they are playing with.
Again, one more time, please. What?
What are they playing with?
Okay. What are they playing with? Look at the monkey. What are they playing with? They are playing the...
Monkey.
What are they playing with? Look at the monkeys. What are they playing with? They play what? Ball, right? They play what?
Straight.
They play...
Um,
Elsa, please listen to teacher. I'm talking in here. Okay, what? Elsa, please listen to teacher. Stop talking. Okay. What are they playing with? Look at the monkeys. What are they playing with? Elsa, can you hear me, Elsa? Can you hear me, Elsa? Hello? Elsa? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me, Elsa? Hello? Hello? Elsa, can you hear me? Hello? Hello, Elsa? Can you hear me? Elsa? Hello, Elsa? Hello? Hello, Elsa? Where are you, dear? Hello, Elsa? Where are you? Hello? Hello, dear. Where are you? Hello, Elsa? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Yes, Elsa, what happened, dear? Okay, so let's start in here. Number 3. Please listen to teacher. What are they playing with? Hello? Hello, Elsa? Hello? Hello? Hello, Elsa? Hello? Hello? Hello, Elsa? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Hello, Elsa? Can you hear me? Okay, Elsa? Hello, Elsa. Can you hear me well now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start now. Can you please read again for number 3? Can you please read for number 3?
What are they playing with?
Okay, what are they playing with? Look at the monkeys. What are they playing with?
A ball.
A ball. Okay, please write your answer. Please write your answer now, Elsa. Huh? Oh no, that is not the correct spelling. Ball. Okay, write it again. I want you to write it again. Write it again. Ball. Bah. 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 Again. Please write it again. Again. Bah. Ball. Bah. Ball. Okay. How we are going to read this? Balu? No, ball. Bah. Bah. Ball. Again. No, that is not the correct spelling. Again.
Whips.
Okay. Bah. Ball. B-A. B-A. A.
L.
L-L.
L.
Yes, that is the correct spelling of the word. What's that again? Can you please read? That is
A ball.
ball. Okay, so let's check your answers now. Are you ready? Are you
Yes.
ready? Yes. Okay, number 2. How many monkeys are there? How many monkeys are there? There.
There are 4 monkeys.
Okay, very good. There are 4 monkeys. How about number 3? What are they playing with?
Let's play
Ah,
ball.
they play the...
A ball.
Yes, very good. All your answers here are correct, Elsa. Great job, dear. So you got 2 out of 2, right? Clap your hands now, dear. Great job. Clap your hands now, Elsa. Clap your hands, dear. Okay, so let's have number 4. Can you please read for number 4?
What is the girl doing?
Yes, what is the girl doing? Look at this girl. This is a girl and this is a woman, right? And this is a boy. Okay, what is the girl doing?
A girl is crying. I think she is crying because
Crying? No, she's...
happy.
Is she crying? Look at her ice cream. Where is her ice cream now?
It is in the hand. The monkey is helping.
Oh, okay. So what is the girl doing?
The girl is happy.
She is pointing or laughing?
Pointing.
What is the girl? Okay, eyes on the screen. Elsa, sit properly. Okay, number 4. Please listen to teacher. What is the girl doing?
A girl.
She is... The girl is...
The girl is happy.
The girl is happy and she is also pointing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, please write your answer. Please write.
Oh, it's so long. Teacher, I don't know the word.
Okay, I'm going to tell you the spelling. Just write it. Okay, are you ready now? Please open your com.
I hear you.
Yes, please open your com.
I don't want that, teacher.
Please.
Why?
Please open your com. You're not listening to me.
Done. Oh,
Faster.
done.
Okay, so what is the girl doing?
The girl is happy and pointing.
Pointing. Okay, please write your answer. Laughing. L. Okay, L. Laughing. No, that is not the correct spelling.
I don't know how to word.
L A
No.
U
Whoops.
U G H I. What's that, Elsa? Can you please continue? Laughing, not laugh. Laughing. I N G. Okay. Pointing. Pa.
Boy.
Pa. Pointing. Pa. Pa. Okay. Please write letter P. Can you please write in here? There are 2 lines in here. Yeah. P, not B. Pa. Pointing. O. O. I. N.
Wait.
T.
Okay.
T. I. N. G. Okay, again. Spell the word laughing. Just tell me. Laughing. Spell the word laughing.
D-A-U-G-H-I-N-G.
Again. Do not shout.
L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G.
Okay, how about pointing? Pointing.
B-O-I-N-T-I-N-G.
Okay, so let's check your answer. Are you ready now? Okay, so eyes on the screen. What is the girl doing? Can you please repeat your answer?
The girl is laughing and pointing.
The girl?
The girl is laughing and pointing.
Yes, she is pointing the...
Okay.
Okay, very good. Yes, great job. Your answer in here is correct. Okay, are you happy?
Yeah.
Elsa? Yes, okay. So let's move to the next page now. Let's have number... Oh, that was the ending of the test. So let's proceed now to our new lesson. So I'm gonna find your new lesson in here. Just wait me for a minute. Okay. There it is. Okay, can you see the screen clearly now. Is that clear to you? Okay. So, can you please read? Can you please read, Elsa? Please open your com.
Okay.
Yes, please read and open your com now. Can you please open it?
Small, happy, or sad?
Yes, big, small, happy, or sad. Okay, so do you have a big things there? Can you show me your big things there? Do you have big things there?
No.
Ah, how about small things?
Yes, I have sticker.
Okay, are you happy today or sad?
I have.
Okay, show me your happy face now. Happy face. That is not happy face. Happy face again. Okay. All right.
And
So let's
I
read now.
sticker.
Oh, do you like to play? Do you like to play stickers?
That is ancient building.
Ay,
That is
wow.
I drawing in a building.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, so let's start in here. Are you ready now to read?
Long, short, big, small,
Yeah.
done.
No, I don't like that attitude. You should need to listen to me first. Please open your cam. I will call your mom if you're not listening to me now. Okay, I don't like that attitude, Elsa. Okay, look at the picture. Oh, look at their hairs. Can you
Long,
just
short, long and short.
listen to teacher first? Okay, so look at the two children. Can you describe their hairs? How about the first girl?
Long,
She she has
she has long hair.
okay, can you say it again? She has a long
She has
hair.
long hair.
Okay, how about the second girl? She has
She has short hair.
a short hair. Okay, can you please repeat again? Can you please describe
She
her
has
hair?
a long hair. She has a
Can you
short
say
hair.
the first girl? Listen to me, Elsa. Do you want me to call your mom? You're not listening to me. Eyes on the screen. Warning. Okay. The first girl, can you say that?
First girl, she has
Ha. Okay, I continue.
a long hair. A second picture, she has a short hair.
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 Yes, very good. Oh, look at their faces. How about the first girl? She is?
Happy and she is sad.
Okay, the first girl is happy and the second girl is sad, right? Again, again.
A first girl is happy, the second girl is
Okay, eyes on the screen. She has a long hair and she is happy. She
teacher.
has,
I drink water.
yeah, sure you can.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so can you say, okay, the first girl has a long
Long,
hair
long hair.
and
And
she
has
was happy.
was happy.
Yes, happy.
Apple.
Okay, wait for a while.
Wales.
Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, again.
Ini.
Look at the screen. The first girl has a long hair and she was happy. But the second girl has a short hair and she was sad. Okay, can you please read the sentence? The first
The first
girl,
the first girl has got a long hair and has
she was,
she was happy, but the second
girl
the second girl has got a short hair and she
was.
got sad.
Okay, so how about you, Elsa? Have you got a long hair?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, are you happy with your
Yes.
hair?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, look at my hair
Teacher.
now. Yes.
Teacher, now again a sticker. Now I bring new sticker. I like this one. I think you like too.
Okay, yeah, I like that. Okay, so please listen to teacher now. Oh, look at the animals. Oh, what animal is it? Look at
That
the first picture.
is a
A
bear.
bear. How about the second picture?
That is I don't know that
This is
anymore.
this is a
I don't know that anymore.
mouse.
Oh my goodness.
This is
Oh my goodness. I
this
don't see that.
is.
That is I don't know that.
Please read.
Oh my goodness.
That is mouse. Can you say mouse?
No, that is not mine. I know Vietnam. Sock,
Is this hamster?
sock.
No, that is not rat. No, that is not cat. This is mouse or rat. Right?
That in the Vietnam, the animal that is a sock,
What?
sock,
Sock?
sock,
Cat? Rat? Rat?
sock, sock.
Sock?
Okay, I can S
Sock?
sock.
Sock? Oh no,
What?
that is not sock. This is mouse.
No,
No,
in
that is
Vietnam,
mouse.
that is a.
Ah, okay. Mouse in Vietnam is sock, right?
Oh my goodness.
What's that?
Teacher, wait a minute.
Okay.
I asked Google.
Mouse. Okay, can you please describe them? The bear is big. Elsa, the bear, the bear, the bear was big, but the mouse was small. But the mouse was small. Elsa,
Oh my
where are
goodness.
you? What's
That
that?
is not a mouse. That is in the Vietnam that is a sock.
This is sock. Let me check first if that is correct. No, this is a mouse.
Oh my goodness. I don't think that is good.
Okay, so can you please read? The bear was big,
The bear was big,
but
but the mouse was small.
yes, but the mouse was too small. Okay, so how about you? Oh, okay, I'm going you to describe the horse and the cat. Okay, who is yes? Who is bigger? Elsa,
What?
the horse and the cat. Who is bigger?
What is that?
Horse. Horse and cat. Who is bigger?
I don't see your swing. I see the long and short, big and small.
Yeah, okay. I'm going you to describe the horse and the cat. Who is bigger? I'm asking you.
Oh, where is
The horse, right? Can you see
what?
a horse?
No.
Oh.
I see the long, short, and big, small. The girl again, and the bear, and the
Okay, how about your mom and dad? Who is bigger?
mom.
Your mom? Oh. Okay. So, in your family, who is smaller?
No, my little sister.
Okay. Yes, and how about okay. So how about you and your little sister? Who has got a long hair?
Um, two people.
Also your little sister has a long hair?
Yes.
Okay. So how about your mom? Is she got a long hair or
No,
short hair?
hair.
She got a
Short hair.
okay, short hair. Okay. So um how about in your classmates? Okay, who's got a long hair?
A long hair. That
Yes.
is me.
You? Oh, how about who's got a short hair?
That is my teacher.
Your teacher. Okay, so what's the name of your teacher?
Where?
What's the name?
Where?
Ay, okay. Hey, hey. Oh, hey. Yes, okay, so I think it's already time now, Elsa. We don't have enough time to continue our lesson in here, so let's continue this one to our next meeting, okay?
Okay.
Okay, goodbye, Elsa. Have a
Teacher.
good night.
Bye.
Goodbye.